Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your Intercom messaging services, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current Intercom messaging system. Identify the features that are lacking or need improvement. Research the latest Intercom messaging technologies available in the market. Create a list of potential service providers and their offerings. Compare pricing and features to find a solution that fits your budget and needs. Reach out to service providers for demo sessions or trials of their systems. Evaluate the user interface and ease of use during these demos. Check for compatibility with existing hardware and software. Read customer reviews to gauge reliability and customer support of each service. Shortlist your top choices based on performance and reliability. Contact your chosen provider to discuss customization options. Negotiate pricing and implementation timelines based on your organization's needs. Document the upgrade process from start to finish for future reference. Schedule a time for the installation that minimizes disruption to your operations. Begin the installation according to the provider's guidelines. Test all features to ensure they work as expected after installation. Train your team on how to use the new Intercom messaging system effectively. Gather feedback from users to fine-tune any settings or features. Monitor the system's performance regularly to identify any issues. Stay informed about updates and new features released by the service provider. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.